literally pouring rain off the side of the Third Ring Road. Like, the rain was massive maybe about 20 minutes ago. It's stopped though. And I'm walking in the middle of traffic, and I don't care. like a waterfall. Look at this. There's so much water here, it's filled up this entire road and cars can't get through. The underbridge zone is packed with water. This guy's gonna go over the sidewalk. Oh geez. And people on bikes are getting totally stranded. There goes a hard hat. This is an equivalent of a flash flood. It's a never-ending torrent of water coming down Third Ring Road. I've never seen such amount of water in Toronto, but this is extremely uncharacteristic of Beijing.